Now let's start by installing Angular. Before installing Angular, make sure you install Node.js. So simply download the installer and install it. After that, install Angular CLI with this command. If you did that, now open the terminal and run ng new. Now we have to name the project. I will call it Angular admin. I will add a new flag here, skip git, because it will colorize the files if they are not added to git. So I'll keep them in the normal color. I would like to add the Angular routing. I'll pick CSS here, and now let's wait till it's completed. Now that it's completed, go to the folder Angular admin and run ng serve. I will keep it short, just as, so this is short for serve. Now let's wait till the local server is running. It is completed. Now I will copy this URL and open it on the browser. And this is our running Angular app. Now let's make more changes.